Hi everybody, review time. This is something new I'm doing. This is going to be called Tony's rating of cold leftovers that were all in the fridge from yesterday and the day before's food that we made. First thing I have here is my delicious rendition of Kathy's cold noodle salad. This is fire. I love this. It's got peppers, celery, onions, sour cream, noodles, garlic, and a number of spices. Yum, yum. Let me get a bite. Oh, yeah. This is even better than the second day. This is fire. 9.2 on the cold noodle salad. Yum, yum. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Up top, my mother made some